Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And wanted to show you a new truck we're getting ready to put on the lot today. This is a 2015 Ford F-350. It is a Super Duty. It's got the 6.7 liter Powerstroke engine in it. So you're going to have a lot of horsepower, a lot of torque. The Powerstroke does have running boards on it. We'll do a quick walk around and then I'll go on the inside. Go back here, we show you the back end of it. It does have a liner, tinted, actually deep tinted windows in it. It does have a backup camera. The camera itself is right here, and pull this down, you see it does have the hitch here already included in with the bed liner. Continue our walk around on the outside. Of course, it's 4x4 four-wheel drive. Crew cab, plenty of room in this. If you notice on the mirrors, you do have the turn signals that are on both sides, but this is an XLT trim package. Hope you can see that. Diesel. So let's go ahead and show you the back seat. This is cloth interior. It's a tan in color, two-tone door panels, and you do have keyless entry. So show you the inside here, then we'll hop up here in a minute, show you up close on the gauges. Here's the controls for your locks, your windows, and your mirrors. So let's go ahead and hop up here. Be a little bit more quiet in here. So let me go ahead and put the key in the ignition and we'll start it up. So let me go ahead and pull away, show you the wheel, show you your controls here for your lighting, dimming. And let me pull in here kind of close on the instrument gauges. And actually on this truck, as of right now, we have mileage is 149,575 miles. So in the scope of things, with this being a diesel, actually pretty good mileage. You do have controls here on the left side of your wheel. Will actually work your instrument cluster for different settings. And on the right hand side, it is Bluetooth capable to hook up to your smartphone. Controls for that is right here. And we'll go over here to the main control center. CD player up here, your radio selection here, heating, air conditioning controls, and then additional brake controls right here. You do have a 12-volt power supply right here, traction control on or off. But right here is your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive controls. So pull over here, you've got your two cup holders and storage capacity here, and this entire unit will pull up. So over here I'll show you the back seats. Plenty of room, actually a lot of leg room back here, and this seat is back as far as it'll go, and you still have that much leg room. The center armrest does fold down. Now let me show you your rear view camera. It's actually up here in the mirror, so I'm going to drop it down in reverse, and there is your rear view camera. So it's pretty cool. So that's it, guys. Great truck. Let me hop out here. But that's it. It's a beautiful truck. Beautiful white collar on this. Paint appears to be in good condition. Good tread on the tires. But that's it. 2015 diesel F-350. It's a Super Duty. 6.7 Powerstroke diesel engine. XLT trim package on this. Crew cab. You got full length on the bed. But anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to call us. Area code 740-992-4443. We've got a lot of vehicles on the lot right now, from cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. We even have semis. So if you know anybody is on the market, we even have a few of those available. So anyway, I hope you have a great day, and bye for now.